Hi everyone, welcome to KnowHow. Today we will learn how to add error bars to your Excel line graph using sales data. Let's get started. Here in this example, you can see that we have the sales data month-wise, and the next column we have the sales amount, and in the third column we have the standard error. A standard error is a measure of how much a sample means differ from the population mean. First of all, I will select this data to make the line graph. I will only select the months and the sales data. After selecting the data, I will go to the Insert tab. I will click on Recommended Charts. I will choose this line chart and click OK. So this is the line chart. First of all, I will delete this chart title. I will click to select it and then press Delete button to delete this chart title. To add standard errors to this graph, click on the plus sign right next to this graph and then choose the element that I want, that is the error bars. And to set it custom, I will go to the more options. And here I have all the options related to the error bars. I can set the vertical error bars value to both positive and negative, or I can set them to minus or plus only. Similarly, I can choose the end style to cap or not cap, and lastly is the error amount, the value that we want to set. The value could be set in terms of fixed value, percentage, standard deviation, standard error, or custom value. So because we have the standard custom value, so I will choose this custom and click this specify value. When I click this specify value, custom error bar dialog box open. Here I will choose these values as positive values, and similar values will be selected for the negative error values. After this, I will click OK. Now you can see that the error bars are added. Before formatting the error bars, I am going to set the y-axis. To set it, I will double click it. And then I will go to this y-axis value and set minimum to 1500 so that this empty area is removed from the graph. To format the error bars, I am going to click to select them. Once I select them, I can go to this fill and line option to format them. Here I can set the line to solid line, gradient line, or automatic. I can also change the color of the line as well as the width of the line. If I want to make it little bit bold, I can change the point of the width. Similarly, the dash types and the arrowheads can also be changed from this option. Once you have done your formatting, the error bars are ready to display on your chart. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more Excel tips. See you next time.